Ben.
Yeah. I'm running a lot for him. Of course. Yeah.
Ben.
That's my son. I took him. Yeah, run together. And Abbas Sherman. He's in charge of the Kia Motors. He's in charge of the and he's in the research department.
Some of my colleagues, Bank of America runs Korea for us, a Korea manager. And Yvonne runs our Africa business for Bank of America. From Nigeria, but we let her in. It's okay. Richard Josh is our vice chairman for Africa. David, Sir David Ajay.
Hey, how are you? The last time I saw him, this my son was in South Africa sometime. How are you?
I have visited his office.
How was it?
Yeah.
And my
Come. That's my son. How are you?
Today we can't talk.
No.